Hello everyone. In this video I am going to solve more questions related from the same mock test. So in today the first question is, write the given number correct to one significant figure in standard form. So this number is 299,792,458. So we need to write this number into the standard form, and then first of all I will change this number nearest to the one significant figure. So 3 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. The reason is, as we know that we need to convert this number into one significant figure, so we must have only one significant figures in this number, so the rest of the numbers are equal to 0. And once we convert this number into the significant figures, then we have to change the same number into the standard form. So to change any ordinary number into the standard form, there must be a format that is a times b raised to the power n, and b is always equal to 10. So now we need to count all the decimal place from right to the left side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So this is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8. In the next question, we need to factorize this given expression, given equation, and then we will solve the same equation for x. So to factorize the given equation, first of all we need to take common. So x is the common from the given equation. So once you take x the common, the remaining terms are x square minus 3x and minus 4, and this is equal to 0. So the first factor, as we know that we are going to factorize it, so the first factor of this equation is x, and then the other factors can be figured out by using a concept that is called middle term breaking. So x square minus 3x minus 4. So first of all we need to find all the factors of 4, and then we need to subtract them to get minus 3. So this is x square minus 4x plus x minus 4, and then we need to make pairs to take out the commons from it. So x is the common, x minus 4 plus 1 is common, and x minus 4, and finally we have x plus 1 is the second factor of the given equation, and x minus 4, this is the third factor. So overall we have three factors. The first factor is x, the second factor is x plus 1, and the third factor is x minus 4. So this is called the factorization because we know all the factors of the given equation. And to find the values for x, we need to equate all of the factors to 0. So the first value of x is 0, the second value of x is equal to minus 1, and the third value of x is equal to 4. So this is how you can factorize any given equation, and by equating all the factors to 0 you can easily figure out the values of x. Okay, the next question is, we have an expression 3x5 plus 8x power 3 minus bracket 7x square minus 6x cube, and we have to expand and simplify it, right? So we are going to do two concepts at a single time: expand and simplify. So to expand this given expression, we need to multiply this minus sign with all the terms written inside the bracket. So 3x power 5 plus x cube minus 7x square, because we have plus sign inside the bracket, so minus plus is minus, and minus times minus gives you plus, 6x cube. And to simplify the given expression, we have to add all the like terms in it. So we know that we have, this is the single term having the x power 5. So we need to copy down this and we need to add both of the terms because they are the like terms. So 8 plus 6 gives you 14x power 3 and minus 7x square, because this is the single term. So that's why we need to copy down this, and this is the simplest form of the given expression. Okay, the next question is very, it's very interesting, and this question is very conceptual. HCF means the highest common n factor. Okay, HCF stands for highest common factor. So we need to find out the HCF of this 3m square n and 12mn square. Okay, I know that you are completely aware how to find out the HCF and LCM of the given numbers, but now I am going to explain you how to find out HCF and LCM of the algebraic terms, variables. So 3m square n can be written as like 3 times m with m, because we have m with a power 2 and then we have n, single n. Then I will expand 12mn square, because this is my second term, that is 12mn power 2. So I will change this 12 into its factors. So factors are 2 times 2 times 3. Then m is the single variable and we have 2n in this term. And then we need to compare both of them. We have to compare the constant number as well as the variables. So we know that we have a complete pair of 3 in both the terms. So 3 will be the answer of HCF. And then we will compare m with m. So we have one pair of m over here. So 3m, and then I will compare n with this n. So we have only one pair of n as well. So the HCF of the given terms is 3m and n. I'm sure that you will understand these questions perfectly, and I am very confident that you will apply the concept in a very appropriate manner. So if you have any confusion, if you have any query, so feel free to contact. Thank you so much.